Going to talk about the Gestalt Principles of Perception. And well, we're going to show you some samples of the principles of perfect perception. The first one is similarity. Here we see the Netflix app, and we can appreciate different information and different layouts and designs. But still the elements feel similar and use the same margins, the same colors, and reuse some components that make us feel we are seeing something that belongs to the same app. We can see a monochromatic color scheme because it's almost pure black and with red adds some details.
Proximity. Proximity refers to the closeness of elements in a page. Different elements in web pages can be grouped together to create a bigger association. Apart from being similar, the closeness of these elements with each other than other pages' elements will automatically be paired in the viewer's mind. For example, let's take a look at the sample in the slide. As we can see, the games at the left side are so close between each other, so it creates a seamless relationship between the elements and delivers a better visual experience to the viewer. And the elements at the right side are not as close as the other one, so it is be pairing in the user's mind.
In Amazon website, we can see that several delivery addresses are distributed in a vertical form so that the user can identify that the information that is below the bold letters, it's the direction of which will be sent. So are the buttons of deliver to this address, and so the buttons of the edit and delete that are in an horizontal position. The scheme of color of this dimension is complementary because they use colors like blue to the links and orange in some spaces to create a contrast.
The law of uniform connected states that elements that are connected to each other using color lines, frames, or other shapes are perceived as a single unit when compared with other elements that are not linked in the same manner. As we can see in the Amazon Prime movies page, you could feel that most of the elements feel similar because they have darkest colors, while you can feel maybe out of place if you can see the lighter ones, the ones that have a lighter colors. And some people will be more attracted to the lighter ones, and other people with the darkest ones because they feel more similar.
People used to perceive the elements that move to the same direction feel more connected than elements that are static or moving in other directions. For example, in the Amazon website, we can see the movies included with Prime membership at no additional cost section, where we are able to swipe the movies left or right, giving the user the perception that all those movies belong to the same section.